Let's look to see if we can work backwards. If you can write an equation of a reciprocal based on what you see here. So that involves understanding h and k. So if I'm going 2 units to the left, h is the opposite number. So that means it's going to be positive 2 instead of negative 2. If we're going 9 units down, that's going to be a negative 9. So I'm looking at those two things. So I can write an equation. There is no stretch of any sort. So see this word stretch. So that means if there's no stretch, then 1 is the default number. And then in the denominator would be x plus 2, and then the last number would be minus 9. So this represents the opposite direction. So 2 to the left and 9 down. Here we have a reflection across the x-axis, and then translated 5 units up. So there's no stretch. A reflection then would make that number negative to create a reflection. It's not shifting left or right at all, so it's just x. There's no number adding or subtracting, and it's going 5 up. That's the last number. So if you like, a is negative 1 and k is 5, and h is 0 because it's not going left or right at all. Number 3, it's vertically stretched by 4. That's what a equals. Translated 3 units to the right. So we're going to go in the other direction in terms of that. So the denominator is going to have a negative to it. So we're going to have a function, and doesn't go up or down at all, so that would be 0. So it's going to be 4 over, and it's going to be, because it's going to the right, we're going to have that opposite number there. And there's nothing to add at the end. All right, there's a vertical stretch. I'm just going to go right to it. So stretch by a factor of 2. That's what a is. It's reflected, so it becomes a negative 2. It's translated 1 to the left. So I got to go plus the opposite direction, and 8 up, so plus 8. So if we can just follow that and fill in AHK with practice. Now, I'm given the asymptotes and write an equation that could represent this. So represent that that's the denominator, and that's what's after. So if you think of HK, that's what it would look like. There's no reflection or stretches, so it's just going to be 1 over. And if I have one at 3, you change it, opposite number, and then the same number. Same thing here. So x equals, it's going to be the opposite number, and then the same number. I don't need to go plus 0 at the end, and it's done. That was it. Mr. G Math over and out, writing equations. Great job.